The role and the functions of the Reserve Bank of India. When you look at a currency note, have you noticed the word Reserve Bank of India written on the top? Have you wondered why the RBI or the Reserve Bank of India is mentioned on the notes? This is because of the RBI issues the currency notes. In every country, there is one organization which works as a central bank. In India, the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, is the central bank. The primary function of the central bank of a country is to supervise and regulate the banking and financial institution of the country. By doing this, it makes sure that the banks in which you keep your money are safeable places to keep your money. RBI also promotes economic growth by keeping prices stable and interest rates reasonable, and also provides various services which help people like issuing currency and processing electronic payment, etc. The Reserve Bank of India was established in 1935. The main functions of RBI are monetary authority. The RBI helps in controlling inflation and supply of money in the economy. The overall goal is to promote economic health of the country and ensures the prices remain stable. This allows people and businesses to make better buying and spending decisions. With stable prices, the economic output increases, and with reasonable cost of borrowing, businesses can borrow to further their operations. If interest rates are high, people may not spend, and hence the economy will not grow. Hence, RBI ensures that prices and interest rates remain same and steady. The next point is issuer of currency. Ever wondered from where the coins and notes we spend do come from? The notes and coins are issued by the Reserve Bank of India in good quality. Have you seen that all the currency notes issued by RBI have "I promise to pay the bearer the sum of 2000 rupees" written on it? This is called the promissory clause and refers to bank obligations to pay. Every bank note issued by RBI also has the signature of the RBI governor on it. The next point is banker and debt manager to the government. As a banker to the government, the RBI manages the banking needs of the government. It collects receipts and makes payments on behalf of the government. Banker to banks. RBI maintains the banking accounts of all the banks. This helps various banks to exchange funds among themselves. For example, your parents wants to pay your fee through online transfer, but your parents' accounts and that of your school may be different. In order to facilitate smooth interbank transfer funds, the bank need a common banker, which is RBI. Manager of foreign exchange. The RBI is the custodian of countries' foreign exchange reserves and maintains foreign exchange markets in India, which includes supply of foreign exchange in India. It also maintains the exchange rates of rupee. Next, regulator and supervisor of the payment and settlement system. The RBI, as a regulator of financial system, has developed and established strong payments in settlement systems and efficient in just flow of funds, in fast flow of funds among various constituents of the financial sectors. You may have heard of these like the electronic funds transfers ECS, which is used to make payments between two accounts, and mobile wallets. Maintaining financial stability. As the regulator and supervisor of the banking system, The RBI has a critical role to play in ensuring system safety and soundness on an ongoing basis. Developmental role. The Reserve Bank has taken an active role in supporting developmental activities in the country, like ensuring loans to poor farmers and access to financial services to all Indians, and encouraging efficient customer services throughout the financial system, resulting in financial inclusion. Thus, RBI plays an important role in helping the country to achieve